Losing a loved one is hard enough. Navigating the legal aftermath shouldn't be. Here is your quick guide to the Iowa probate timeline. Probate is the legal process of settling a deceased person's debts and distributing their assets. But in Iowa, you can avoid it. Estates under $50,000 can use a small estate affidavit. Jointly owned property and accounts with beneficiaries also bypass the process completely. In Iowa, probate officially begins when you file a petition with the court. After notice is published, creditors have exactly 4 months to submit their claims. You also have 90 days to file a complete inventory of estate assets. Finally, the estate must close within 3 years, Iowa's strict statutory limit. Factors like complex estates or family disputes can slow things down. Remember, Iowa law actually requires an attorney to open and navigate the probate process. We covered Iowa probate basics, timelines, and why legal help is crucial. Like, subscribe, and comment below.